Hey everyone, how's it going? We have a 2013 Mazda MX5. We all call it a Miata, but we have a Miata in the shop for some paint correction and a ceramic coating. Now, another shop quoted a lot of money to fix this with a two-step correction. It does not need a two-step correction, so our price is probably half of what theirs is. We are a relatively high-end shop that charges, pretty decent money, but I only believe in charging people for what they need, not upselling them for no reason. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna take this back to showroom shine with just a one-step paint correction. Okay, this car is actually really clean and really well maintained, and it actually looks pretty good given that it's a 2013. It's got a partial PPF on the front, and so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna soak it down with some American Detailer Garage F-Bomb, and we're gonna get the bugs off that way, and then I'm gonna rinse it. We're gonna foam cannon the car, and then I'm gonna clay bar the car. The paint's a little rough to the touch, which means it's got some contaminants embedded in it. So I'm gonna clay bar that, and then I'm gonna polish it. And realistically, that's gonna speed up our polishing process because it's gonna keep our pads from getting too dirty too fast. So anyways, pre-soak it, and then we'll get started. One of the things that sets us apart, especially when we're talking about paint correction, is our lighting. And many shops have, plenty of LED lights and floodlights, and that does bring out some imperfections and it does illuminate the space. But what we have that sets us apart, and I don't think I've ever seen it in any other shop, is a space that is illuminated entirely by color match scan grip lights. And what those do is they are designed to enhance imperfections and swirls in the paint, making it easier to see and easier to remove defects. And the final product is better because the scratches and swirls are not obscured by the wrong type of lighting. And I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. Now, this is similar to those reflection shots you see by a lot of detailing shops. They'll show you like, oh, this is a reflection, but if the lighting is not correct, a reflection shot means nothing and could be obscuring these swirls that we're going to remove. Okay, so you can see how great this NC Miata turned out with our paint correction, and you see what sets us apart with our shop lighting. And we also use a product called Acrosol to remove all of the polish residue. So like some shops will polish and it has filler, which hides the swirls. What you see is what you get with our work. There's no hiding. So long as you take care of the car, it will stay exactly the same as when it leaves the shop.